Everybody, we are out on the porch. We are going to make my planters that I want to put on the up here. There's a hummingbird right there, guys. Look at that. Isn't that feeder? Isn't that cute? But I've got these little hooks all along here. I got one there, and I got one over here, and that's where I want to put them. And I went and picked up a bucket full of rocks from out back. I put new dirt in here, and I think those are plants that we put in there before. I don't know. I didn't want to pull them out without finding out. But I put more wildflower seeds in these buckets. So we'll see if they come up. I don't know. So we are going to, there's my little patriotic little thing that'll stay out here all summer. When it gets really windy, I'll have to bring it in. I have been putting it in one of these pots so it sticks in the ground, but sometimes I put it over here. So we'll have to see what happens. So we're going to get going on this, and I'll be back when I get close to being done. I got my pots with my rocks in it. I got my purple flowers that are going to go in the middle, and I got all these white ones to go around. So I will show you how it looks when I get to that point. Okay, I decided to put them on the little pots I have outside because my husband said that when we get bad winds, he said they would blow, even though I have rocks in them, they would blow off of there. So I just put them right here. This is what they look like. We'll go up front. So you can see them. They're all the purples and white. I put these I had in here last year. But when we get high winds, that I have to go chasing them off the ground. But here's the other one. It came out so cute. I put my flag out. And sorry, I'm walking. There you go. There's the flag. And then I put out the red, white, and blue fire sticks. I put a bow on the welcome sign. I made my little thing. The cat dishes are up there with my water bottle. And they're red, white, and blue, those little flowers that are in like a bird's. It used to be a flower thing, but I just changed the flowers this season. I left the heart up and put the star in the middle of it. My husband's gonna paint that for me white, and I'll decorate that. And there's my old water can. And then I hung up my little patriotic flag here. See, the wind is blowing. And if it's really bad, I'm hoping that it won't ruin that, but we'll see. And then in my pots in the front, I planted some wild flowers. I've had a box of them for the last couple of years, and I just decided just to dump evenly into it, and we'll just water it and see if anything comes up. If it doesn't, no big deal. Just looks kind of bad right now in front of the house because there's a bunch of empty pots. See, there's a bunch of empty pots, but when you're back from on the road, you can't see them but that big one. So that's it so far. I want to find some patriotic pillow covers for those to put out there. And my seat, let's see the cat laying on there. Those are red, orangey red. I guess they used to be red, kind of orangey color. But I thought that would be pretty if I added that to the porch. So, and I could put some real flowers in my bucket right there, my tub. But I don't know if I want to do that. So that's it for now for out here. I think over here is done. I got my pots in front of my doors, either side of my doors, and maybe I'll make another pot or something. Maybe I'll take two of these white ones and put them in there and get some more flowers, get some more purple flowers and white flowers, and that way they match, everything matches. Maybe I'll do that if I can find them. I kind of cleaned out my store for that. And there's my dog, my bear. So, all right, guys, that's it for now. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.